Hi everyone, welcome back. Here's another video that I really should have probably called number 3, but I didn't fit it in, so I'm going to call it 2B, so it follows video 2. Let's have a look what happens. This isn't written as a power, this is written as a power of 3, but that isn't and that isn't. So there's more information up here than just having powers of 3 or powers of 2 or powers of 4. So that one's in the way and I need to get rid of it, and the same as you always do with equations, if I subtract 1 from this side, I subtract 1 from that side, and then I'm left with just a 3 to the x, and the magic number turns up as being 9. And you could look at that and just go 3 to the what's 9, the answer's 2. If you don't see that, you can go 3 to the x is 3 squared. So we have our common, we want this common base, so that base is the same as that base. And because the bases are the same, I can write the powers and I can go x equals 2. So you could have, on a simple question like that, have done it almost in your head and just written the answer down. Technique though is, you're going to get rid of all these other numbers. So this one's got a minus 5. How do I get rid of minus 5? If I add 5 to this side, I add 5 to that side. And now I've got my magic numbers again. 2 to the x plus 2 equals a 16. So now I've got 2, 4, 8, 16. So I can now write the 16 as a 2 to the power of 4. And once I've got written that 2 to the power of 4, I can just go, the equation is x plus 2 equals 4. And then I can go to x equals 2, obviously. One more, going to be quite a short video hopefully. 4s and 8s, could have written anything. Maybe let's go for something like a 32 and make it a little bit harder. 4, 8 and 32, so if I look at the powers of 2, I got 4, I got 8 and I got 32. So I can write the 8 as 2 cubed. I can write the 4 as 2 squared. And remember that this x plus 4 really has a bracket around it. Mathematically has a bracket around it. So when I go 2 to the 2 to the power of x plus 3, it has that bracket around it. And what that bracket means is that when you multiply this 2, that 3 is going to become a 6. So it's not going to stay as a 3, it's going to become a 6. So this is 1 on 2 to the 5th power. Let's have a look what's happened. When I'm multiplying, what do I do with the powers? I'm going to add. So I've got 2 to the power of 3 plus, now what's what I'm going to shortcut here? That's a 2x, and the 2 3's are 6. So 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 3 is 6. Remember, when I'm marking assessments, you see that over and over again. People put a 3 there, and they've forgotten to multiply that by 2. So some people can shortcut, and they just go, well, that's 2 squared, so that's a 2x and that's a 6. So if you're comfortable, you can just write that as a 2x and a 6, and you shortcut like crazy, which is good. We want you to, in the long run, we want you to do it the quickest, easiest way you can. When I go from a denominator to a numerator, this was a plus 5, and a plus 5 becomes a minus 5. So here's my equation. I'm going to simplify it. There's a 2x. 3 plus 6 is 9, and I got minus 5. So now I've got 2x equals, if I subtract 9 from both sides, this will be minus 14, and pretty obviously then, the answer is x equals minus 7. I hope you're enjoying it. I hope that fills the gap in the other videos, and if you're enjoying it and it's really making a difference for you, just please tell people, spread the word. Thank you.